Jackson Road onto the Salisbury Highway. Up to the Northern Connector, which joins onto the north-south road at Wingfield on the Salisbury Highway. We can see that the new bridge for the Northern Connector has got 3 sections in the new bridge. Behind it is the current bridge. So this is the new Northern Connector. Around here, see the other work. This is the Selden interchange at Wingfield. This is the elevated roadway as it currently exists, and this faint line is the current way you get off the elevated road to go to Salisbury, and the way that you get from the Port River Expressway up onto the elevated road. The new arrangement will have the cars wanting to go to Salisbury leaving at this point and going around to Salisbury, whilst most of the traffic will continue on the Northern Connector. Cars from Port Adelaide wanting to get onto the elevated road will come around in a new set of roads which are being built, and cars wanting to go from the southern suburbs to Port Adelaide will go along this existing road, which is shown in a dark colour here. So this is the Southern interchange. The current traffic from the South Road joins onto Salisbury Highway. It's coming out of the power lines going to going to join the Port Wakefield Road, which means we veer off to the left. The traffic coming from the north has to deal with some traffic lights just by this flyover. There's a big build-up of traffic as they're waiting for the traffic lights. The northern connector looking towards Wingfield. You can see the road is going across this area. In the background we can see the Torrens Island power stations. Looking up to the point where there's an intersection with Kings Road. Bolivar Road, Kings Road, Port Wakefield Road intersection at a point where the northern connector is going to have a connection to the traffic on Port Wakefield Road. At this point there will be a flyover interchange for the northern connector. Bolivar Road, Kings Road connection. This is the Bolivar interchange. This is the Port Wakefield Road as it exists at the moment, with the Bolivar Road, Kings Road roundabout, which was built about 2 years ago. Cars on the northern connector road coming from the north will be able to exit at this point and get onto Port Wakefield Road at this point, whilst cars from Bolivar Road and Kings Road will be able to come around and join onto the northern connector that way, and cars from the southern suburbs will be able to get into Paralawi via this way onto Bolivar Road. The Bolivar interchange. This is the plan for the northern interchange. This is the current Port Wakefield Road, and this is the northern expressway. Cars coming from the southern suburbs currently can go underneath Port Wakefield Road and get on the northern expressway, but with this plan they'll no longer be able to do that. They will have to have decided to get onto the northern connector at an earlier point. The only vehicles that can get to Gawler on the Northern Expressway will be vehicles which are coming from the Northern Connector. Cars coming from Port Wakefield direction will be able to get onto the Northern Expressway via that route. In the video we're standing at this point here. The northern interchange. Port Wakefield Road at Virginia, where the Port Wakefield Road has a connection to the Northern Expressway to Gawler, and at this point the Northern Connector, which we can see coming across the plains from Wingfield, will join up with the Northern Expressway. Traffic wanting to go north on This will then go along this road out to Port Wakefield and beyond. Northern Adelaide, this is the north-south road with the current interchange which gets you onto the Salisbury Highway, and in this direction it's sometimes called the Port Adelaide Port River Expressway. This is Hanson Road, and we've come along and we see here the roadworks for the Northern Connector are being shown in this video. We'll now fly up to the Bolivar interchange. This is the Bolivar Road, Kings Road, and we can see the roadworks in the video at this point. Go to Virginia. This is the current road arrangements, and this is the Northern Expressway. The whole point of the building this road is that vehicles wanting to go to Sydney can go onto the road to Gawler and the Gawler bypass and then the A20, and then we can see that the A20 takes you through Mildura and takes you through to the eastern states. So the building of the Northern Connector is to enable greater movement of heavy vehicles and light vehicles between Adelaide and Sydney.